and a very good day to all of you. I hope you are doing well and ready for another interesting topic. Today, we'll talk about creative writing, its types and techniques. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand creative writing and its types, identify different elements of creative writing, recognize techniques of creative writing. Creative writing refers to the imaginative and artistic expression of thoughts, ideas, emotions, and experiences through written language. Unlike academic or technical writing, creative writing allows greater freedom in style, language, and structure. It encourages originality, innovation, and personal voice, enabling writers to explore human experiences and emotions in expressive ways. Through creative writing, individuals can construct fictional worlds, describe vivid settings, develop complex characters, and engage readers through compelling narratives. This form of writing is not limited to storytelling alone. It encompasses poetry, drama, scripts, memoirs, and many other artistic forms. Its ultimate purpose is to evoke emotional responses, inspire reflection, and provide aesthetic pleasure. Let us begin with the major types of creative writing, because before you can master the craft, you need to know the territories. The first one is fiction writing. Fiction is one of the most recognized forms of creative writing because it deals with imaginative storytelling. It includes novels, novellas, short story, and microfiction. Fiction allows writers to construct invented worlds, create multidimensional characters, and explore themes such as human relationships, societal conflicts, or moral dilemmas. Fiction can be categorized into genres like mystery, fantasy, science, fiction, romance, horror, and historical fiction. Each genre demands specific narrative techniques. For example, mystery relies on clues and suspense, while fantasy requires world building and imaginative settings. Second one is poetry. Poetry is a highly expressive and concentrated form of creative writing that communicates emotions, experiences, or ideas through rhythmic and figurative language. It often uses literary devices like metaphor, imagery, symbolism, and sound patterns such as rhyme and alliteration. Poetry can be structured like sonnets and villanellas or unstructured such as free verse. It can focus on themes of love, nature, loss, identity, or spirituality. The beauty of poetry lies in its ability to transform ordinary language into artistic expression by creating vivid pictures and emotional resonance with minimal words. Drama and playwriting. Drama involves writing plays or scripts intended for performance on stage, radio, or screen. Unlike other forms, drama relies heavily on dialogue and actions rather than description. A playwright constructs characters, scenes, stage directions, and conflicts that actors bring to life. Dramatic writing emphasizes tension, confrontation, and character relationships. It may be tragic, comic, or a blend of both. Screenwriting, a specialized branch of drama, requires visual storytelling and careful structuring of scenes, camera directions, and dialogue. Because drama is designed for performance, it must consider audience expectations, pacing, sound effects, lighting, and emotional rhythm. Creative nonfiction. Creative nonfiction blends factual accuracy with artistic technique. It includes memoirs, autobiographies, reflective essays, travel writing, biographies, and literary journalism. Unlike traditional nonfiction, which focuses purely on information, creative nonfiction uses storytelling tools such as character development, plot structure, and vivid description to make real events engaging. Writers use narrative voice, sensory details, and emotional reflection to explore personal experiences or societal issues. Journals, diaries, and reflective writing. Journals and diaries are personal forms of creative writing that record thoughts, emotions, observations, or experiences. Reflective writing, commonly used in academic and professional setting, encourages writers to analyze their personal responses to events, literature, or experiences. These forms allow individuals to explore inner feelings, document daily life, and develop self awareness. Although personal, reflective writing still uses elements of creativity such as imagery, expressive tone, and narrative structure. Blogging and digital creative writing. In the digital age, creative writing has expanded into blogs, social media stories, web fiction, interactive narratives, and online journals. Digital creative writing often blends text with multimedia elements such as images, videos, and hyperlinks. Blogs allow writers to express opinions, share experiences, or provide commentary in a personalized voice. Web fiction and episodic storytelling platforms like Wattpad or Web Novel enable writers to experiment with serialized narratives and audience interaction. Digital creative writing broadens the reach of creative expression and allows immediate feedback from readers. Now, the elements, the bones and blood of creative writing. Number one is theme. The theme is the underlying idea, message, or insight that a creative work communicates. It is not simply the topic, but the deeper meaning behind events, characters, or descriptions. For example, a story about a journey may explore themes of self discovery, resilience, or the conflict between tradition and modernity. Writers often weave themes subtly through symbolism, character decisions, or recurring motives. Strong themes give direction to the narrative and help readers connect intellectually and emotionally. Another important technique is plot. Plot refers to the structured sequence of events that unfold in a narrative. A compelling plot typically follows a pattern that includes exposition, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. The exposition introduces the setting and characters, while the rising action presents conflicts that intensify the story. The climax is the turning point of maximum tension, followed by falling action that leads toward the conclusion. Creative writers may experiment with chronological order using flashbacks, fragmented timelines, or parallel storylines to enhance suspense or thematic depth. A strong plot is driven by conflict, whether internal within the character or external between characters or against circumstances, and it engages readers by maintaining momentum. So that's all for today. We'll continue the discussion on the techniques in the next section. Thank you.